afternoon. How are you? Very good. I too fine. Sit down all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Dear children, in my previous classes, I have taught you grammar aspects, especially for that parts of speech. Am I right? Today I am going to teach you the kinds of the sentence. Before that, you must know what is a sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence. Come on. Any one of you? Anybody? What is sentence? Okay. Any one of you stand up and tell me one sentence in English. Yes, come on. Tell me one sentence. Tell me one sentence. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಹೇಳು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
My name is Priya.
Very good. My name is Priyanka. Is it right? Priyanka. Okay. This is a one sentence. Right. If I write this sentence in this way, name my is Priyanka. Which one is correct? First one is correct. Second one is wrong. It is wrong. Okay. Why it is wrong and why it is correct? Tell me. Yes, stand up. Please. Very good. Sit down. So, dear children,
Sentence wrong.
sentence is wrong. Why it is wrong? You know why? Yes, 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 yes. Come on, correct. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಹೌದು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Sir, nouns correct ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಳು.
Sir, nouns pronouns correct ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೌನು ಪ್ರನೌನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಕೂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ 8 parts of speech. Is it right? Noun, pronoun,
Verb, adjective,
preposition, conjunction, interjection, and article is also a kinds of parts of speech. Is it right? Dear children, here you can go anywhere in the world. The sentence, it must be in a correct order. So any sentence you can write, it must be belong to any kinds of the parts of speech. And this parts of speech of the words which may be in a correct order. I mean to say, sentence means a group of words. Okay, anybody can you tell me the statement of the sentence? What is sentence? Statement means a group of words which placed in their proper order, and which makes meaningful, and which makes complete, which makes a complete meaning, is called Sentence means a group of words which placed in their proper order and which makes a complete meaning is called sentence. For example, as she told, my name is yes. My name is Priyanka. If she write Priyanka name is my Priyanka my is name ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು if I write this type it is gives wrong notion wrong form. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ a group of the words which can be placed in their proper order correct ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಬೇಕು and which gives complete meaning. If I write this way ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು is Priyanka name my, it is also a sentence, is it right? Of course it is a sentence, but it not the words in the sentence is not placed in their correct order or in a proper order and that gives the indefinite meaning. It not gives a complete meaning. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಕೂರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? A sentence, a group of words any one of you, anybody from boys side, please stand up and read correctly. Yes.
A group of words which placed in their proper order and which makes complete meaning is called sentence.
Very good. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾಕ್ಯನ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್, ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್, ನನ್ನ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ತಪ್ಪು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು, ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್,
May I come in?
ಮೇ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್, ಮೇ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಎಸ್,
What is a grammar?
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ
Grammar.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. What is a grammar? Okay, then you just request.
My English textbook.
My English textbook is this is
This is my
English textbook.
textbook.
Very good. Like this.
My village name is Vadnad.
Very good. My village name is
Vadnad.
Vadnad. Yes.
That
Sit
is
down.
a book.
That is a book. Very good. Okay, then. Okay, anybody? Yes.
What is a word?
What is called word? Very good. Okay, then use one more. Use sentence. What is called duster? Okay, very good. Then shut the door. Shut the door.
Open the windows.
Shut the door. Very good. Open the windows.
Close the windows.
Open the windows. What is your name? Yes, Nikita. Who are you? Okay, who are you?
Sir, this is me. I am going to school.
Who are you? Very good. I am going to school.
What is your?
What is a noun? Very good.
What
These are
is
all-
your name?
What is your name? These are all the examples of the sentence. As you know that, as you know, whatever you are asked, whatever you are saying, what you are exclaiming, what you are praying, what you are ordering, give me your pen, please. Give me your pen. So here, all of you sit down. There are 6, 7, I think 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences I have written on the board. Is it all the 7 sentences are giving same meaning or no? Is it right? Or all these 7 sentences are giving or belong to the same kind of the sentence? One day the sentence. Look at, you just examine. My name is Priyanka. May I come in? There is a difference of meaning and different kinds of the sentence, these two. Now, are you clear? This is the simple sentence. This is a simple or assertive sentence. This is a requesting sentence. What is your name? What is the grammar? Is an interrogative sentence. I mean question sentence. Shut the door. It is an imperative sentence. And open the door, open the windows. It's an order. Who are you? This is an interrogative sentence. Please give me your pen. It is a request. And one more. What a beautiful garden. Scene. Okay, S-C-E-N-E. Scene. ದೃಶ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ ದೃಶ್ಯ. It is exclamatory sentence. Okay, you just write down all these things which are written on the board. Take down this. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೈನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Right? Do it fast. Let's start kinds of the sentence. Okay, ಈಗ ಏನು ನೋಡೋಣ? Kinds of the sentence. Right? Will dictate you later. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮುಂದೆ. Okay? As I am writing, we'll just read it out. What is the next topic? Kinds of the sentence. Look at this book. This is completely updated. This is completely updated Milliam edition. Holy Faith, English grammar and composition. This is for the schools and colleges. This is a wonderful grammar book. This grammar book has been written by, as we know, Thomas Pechet. This grammar book is published in a Holy Faith International. Dear students, please keep this type of the grammar with you. Whenever it necessary for learning grammar, you can use this. And as I know, I am following this. You too follow this, which can help you a lot. This is one of the useful teaching material to you. Understand? Yes. Let's continue the kinds of the sentence. How many kinds of the sentence can you guess? Can you guess how many kinds of the sentence? Guess maadu. Just two kinds of the sentence is it? 3, 5. Sit down. Guess. 5, 9, 8, 2, 3. You already told 3. Okay, sit down. Come on. 5, 6, 10, 6, 9, 3, 5, 4, 5, 3, 10, 3, 7, 4, 11, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 6, 7, 6, 3, 7, 4, 7. Okay. 4, 2, 5, 6. Dear children, how many of you said 4? Please stand up. How many of you said 4? Yes, dear children, there are 4 kinds of the sentence in English. Congratulations to you, because you have guessed correct. Sit down. You just go anywhere. Can you guess how many countries in the world? How many countries? Okay, at least tell me how many continents are there in the world. Which one? How many? 7. 7 continents. Is it right? Asia, Europe, America, North America, South America, Australia, Africa, Antarctica. Antarctica has no human being. Only one continent on the universe which has no human being. Remaining 6 continents are there. Out of the 6 continents, can you guess how many countries are there? Guess ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, guess. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೇಶಗಳಿವೆ? Come on. 6. ಎಷ್ಟು? Can you guess? Come on, quick. From the boys side. Yes. 8.
7.
7. Count now. 29. 200. US. 100. 171. Okay. SU 100. Sit down. 58. U 19. Okay, dear children, sit down. There are 195 countries in the world. There are 195 countries. Not 1 or 2, 19, 100, 50 or 200, anything else. There are 195 countries in the world. You just go anywhere in the world. You just go to any countries out of 195. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಯಾವುದೇ 195 ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ, there are only 4 kinds of the sentence. They are, first one is assertive sentence. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಯಾವ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಇವೇ kinds of the sentence. First one is assertive sentence. Second one is, can you guess? Come on, interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Third one, exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Fourth one, sorry, imperative. Imperative sentence. Dear children, these are the 4 kinds of the sentence. Come on, tell me. Any one of you please stand up and read it out. Yes, you stand up. Please wait. Read it out. Assertive sentence. Okay. Interrogative, say loudly. Interrogative sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentence. How many kinds of the sentence in English? 4. Only 4. You just go to anywhere. You just go to America, England, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China, Japan, Australia. Come on. South Africa, England, New Zealand, Zimbabwe, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Canada. Come on, tell me. Germany, USA. Come on. Andhra is our state. Sit down. So, just you go to anywhere in the world, you have, these are the only 4 kinds of the sentence. Let's see one by one. Okay, as I told, there are many grammarians can prepare this book. This is the wonderful books for you. Okay, like this. What is the first one kinds of the meaning of the or the statement of assertive sentence? Let's see one by one. A sentence which gives a sentence which gives a statement or asserting or something is called assertive sentence. Okay, let's see. A sentence which gives a statement. For example, I am your teacher. You are all my students. Rama reads a book. He came yesterday. I am not your science teacher. I am your English teacher. Your name is Sanjay. Okay. When I am saying statements or asserting something, it means saying something. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸರಳ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು. ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ, ಸರಳ ವಾಕ್ಯ, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಕರ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ಗಾರಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಜ್ಞಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. Same thing in English. Now I am teaching. These are the kinds of the sentences. These are very important to you.
Question.
Yes, question kelodu. Questioning sentence. Adu bartini. Questioning sentence is nothing but a next one, interrogative sentence. Understand? Very good. What's your name? Vishnu. Nice of you. Sit down. Yes. Now take the examples. Rama reads a book. Rama reads a book. I am not science teacher. I am going to mortgage. I am going to mortgage. Yes. I am a 8th standard student. Yes.
I am going to village.
I am going to school. I am going to village. Okay. Then yes, very good, very good. Come on, say the sentences like this. Yes, yes, stand up. Yes, come on. I am going to house. Okay, very good. Then yes. Come on.
I am going to play.
Yes, I am going to play. Okay, come on, like this. Here, you just understand. These are the three kinds of the examples I have written on the board for the assertive sentences. Dear children, how many examples I have written on the board? 1, 2, 3. Rama reads a book. I am not a science teacher. I am going to market. Can these three are a common sentences or the same sentences? ಈ ಮೂರು ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So here is something different. I am not a science teacher. It means that again in assertive sentence there are two kinds. One is positive sentence or called affirmative sentence. Positive sentence and negative sentence. Very good. These first one and third one is the positive sentence. This one is a negative sentence. Okay, let's see the kinds of the sentence, kinds of the assertive hogonega, kinds of the assertive. Right? Can I write this? Alasla?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kinds of, again, it is the kinds of the sentence. So this is the kinds of assertive. The kinds of
Assertive.
assertive sentence. How many kinds of the assertive sentence? There are two. First one is affirmative. Affirmative sentence. Or positive sentence. Affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Second one, as I told, positive and very good, negative sentence. Yes. These are the two major kinds of the sentences. Kinds of the assertive sentence. Kinds of the assertive. Assertive nalli ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ವಿಧ. Affirmative sentence. What it gives? It gives positive meaning. A sentence. Can you take the statement? You can write down. I am dictating you. Affirmative sentence means a sentence. Take down the statement. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಿಂದೆ. A sentence which gives statement or offering. Okay, offering is called. Can I write down? ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? A sentence which offering something is called. A sentence which offering something is called affirmative sentence. Or positive sentence, giving positive meaning. For example, she writes a letter. The birds fly. Third one example. He came yesterday. These are the examples of affirmative sentence. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay? Right. After this, I am going to negative sentence. Okay? Negative sentence ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕೀಗ ನನಗೆ. Right? Are you getting my point? ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ? Whenever you have a doubt, you just say me. I am going to stop that and continue. ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದ್ಕೋಗೋಣ. Right. Are you writing down? ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? Yes. After this, negative sentence. Negative sentence means very simple. A sentence which gives negative meaning. Which gives negative meaning.